If you've never seen up close and personal the lambing process, today we had a couple of new additions. If you'd like to see that, stick around. One of our ewes is getting pretty close to lambing out. Been watching her for about the last 3 days. We've noticed that her udder started to spring, and this morning it had really popped. She actually had a little bit of discharge out of her vulva. And she's been working all morning to try to find a position of comfort. She's been up, she's been down, she's been calling to the other sheep. She's probably going to be lambing out sometime today, so if she does, hopefully we'll be able to bring that process to you so you'll be able to check it out. This is Jacobine. She's a 4-year-old Katahdin ewe, bred to a Katahdin ram, and she didn't have any complications with her first pregnancy, and this is her second pregnancy. Right now everything looks good. She's presenting a normal delivery, which is 2 front legs and a head. If you get anything other than that, it may require some intervention, but everything looks good right now, and we're just going to let her do her thing. There you go. Good job, Jacobine. She don't look hollowed out enough to just have been one, so that's the first one. And just hold them upside down for a second, kind of let them drain out a little bit like that. Yeah, he's pretty vigorous. It ain't even been 10 minutes and he's already trying to get up. About 12 minutes to stand up. This one's not nearly as vigorous as the white one that first came out. He's a little bit weaker, but he's definitely got a lot of interest. It's really important that these animals get, within 24 hours, they get that mother's colostrum. So both of these are pretty vigorous. I'm actually quite surprised. I haven't been feeding her really much as far as anything off the property. It's all been what we can give her here, which is just the pasture and fodder and some of the stuff that we're able to get from some of our waste streams. But she's done a fantastic job putting all of her energy into these youngsters. Let her get bonded with these two. These are called cotyledons, and it's what attaches to what's called caruncles on the inside of the uterus. I'd say 30% of the time with cows they'll eat this, which is the only time they really will eat something that's not herbaceous. But one of the reasons why they do that, survival instinct and mechanism that they have where they consume this, because it's going to not draw in as many like predators and scavengers. 15 to 30 minutes you'll see buzzards overhead when they drop after birth. I want to get this stuff out of here before the coyotes are drawn in from this evening, and I'll just take it out back where dumped that chicken earlier today.